What's up, Best Hour team? This is Rickey Beasley with CrossFit SolaFide, co-owner with my wife. This is going to be coach development lesson number 2, lesson plans 1. So I chose to do the 2007 workout for time, which is a 1,000-meter row into 5 rounds of 25 pull-ups, 7 push jerks, 135 and 95 for the weights. Bracketed everything in based on this 0 to 60-minute timeline, with the cool down over here and the whiteboard brief over here. And then from there, worked from WOD, bathroom break test, specific warm-up for the jerks, specific warm-up for the pull-ups, and then a general warm-up at the beginning with whatever time I had left over. So diving into the whiteboard brief from 0 to 3 minutes, we'll brief the workout and then the stimulus. And in the stimulus, we talked about it being around 3:30 to 5 minutes for the row. That's kind of like the target time frame for that. And then for rounds, 1:30 to 2 minutes per round. Ideally, the target time would be 11 to 13 minutes for the general populace in our gym, with a time cap of 15 minutes. And from there, we'll move into the general workout, or general warm-up, sorry. Teach the row. We do this often in our class, so it'll go pretty quickly with the setup, the catch, and the finish. And then we'll talk a little bit about pace and how to set up your monitor for easy reading during the 1,000-meter row. And we'll dive right into, while they're still in the row, or dive right into the warm-up of 3 rounds, 250-meter row, 10 band pull aparts, 5 band pass-throughs, 3 inchworms. All of these warm-ups will have the tell, show, do method. We typically follow walk the class through each of the first rounds and then let them build pace and weights in the upcoming rounds. After the 14-minute mark, we'll hit the specific warm-up for the pull-up, working on 3 rounds of 5 scat pull-ups, 1 to 3 strict pull-ups to see where most people are, and then 5 kips, 5 ring rows. Second round through, they'll do everything the same, and 5 jumping pull-ups. Third round through, they'll do everything the same except for 5 pull-ups here. And then we'll get the bars out at 19 minutes and move into the specific warm-up for the jerks, which will, first round will be the high hang position, second round will be the hang position, and the third round will be from the floor. We'll move 3 rounds in a tell, show, do format with 3 shrugs, 3 high pulls, 3 power cleans, 3 strict press. Second time through, it'll be from the hang position, and they'll do push press at the end as far as the pressing goes. And then on the third time through, it'll be from the floor, and they'll do push jerk at the end. And then the remaining time, they'll build up to the workout weight for their jerk. Leading from there, once their bars are set, clips are on the bar, we're gonna give them a quick test, 200-meter row, 6 pull-ups, and 2 jerks, and let them gauge how that felt, which is about 1/4 of every movement that they're doing today. Put it all together for the first time. Quick bathroom break. This will also be for me to go around, check the safety, make sure everyone's got clips on their bars, there's no additional plates laying around anywhere, and the rig is free of any debris on the floor. All right, and then I'll also make sure that if anyone needs to scale or needs help changing weights, I can do so that it doesn't take away from their bathroom break from them. Okay, from there we'll move directly into the WOD. 3, 2, 1, go. They'll have 15-minute cap to execute that stimulus. All right, then at the very end over here, we'll go into our cool down, kind of segments it a little bit from the 50-minute to the 60-minute mark based on some affiliate university or best hour podcasts when they had Chris Henshaw on here. And we talked about recovery, cool down, and then a cleanup in those things.